to day 12 of the 12 days of Soapmas. We're gonna jump right in and just tell you the big news. That way someone doesn't spoil it for you down in the comments section. Here's Lily's shirt. Can y'all read it? Do you see it? That's right, baby Carson #2 is on the way.
Oh my goodness, this is the first I'm hearing of this.
Many of you guys had already guessed it. It was all over my Instagram. Y'all were like, so when are you finally making the announcement? We wanted to make it a Christmas surprise. Austin, I found out 2 days after that. Oh, honey, really? You're gonna talk to her while I'm talking? If you guys remember way back in August, whenever we did the soap travels video down to Austin, Texas, I actually found out I was pregnant 2 days after that trip. So I have been keeping this a secret since the end of August, and it has been so difficult to stay silent. But again, I thought it'd be fun to do a little Christmas surprise and also get through like the first kind of yucky part of pregnancy. The first trimester is always a little, how would you describe it?
Barfy.
And it seemed to be worse this time round. So yeah, I really wasn't doing great. There were a couple of weeks in there where the upload schedule was weird. That was why. We are gonna be doing another gender reveal soap in 2019. I am actually due the first week of April, so I'm quite a bit along already. We're very excited, aren't we, Caleb?
Mm-hmm, of course.
So there you have it. There's our Merry Christmas surprise. We hope you guys are excited about this as we are. Of course, we'll be sharing lots and lots of baby photos and maybe some pregnancy photos over on my personal Instagram. And then for those of y'all who are just here for soap, of course, that's what the Royalty Soaps Instagram is for, is all the soapy pictures. We hope you're having an absolutely marvelous Christmas day with your family if you're celebrating that, and if you're choosing not to celebrate, I hope you're having a fun time sitting alone and relaxing and getting the day off of work. I'm not saying like forever alone.
Really what that sounded like.
That's not what I meant. I meant taking some you time by yourself. Can I blame that on pregnancy brain?
Yeah.
Where's your hat?
Come here.
Come on. Come here. We gotta say bye-bye to our friends. There you go. Get her, Dad. Get her.
We lost the hat.
So from all of us here at Royalty Soaps, including the 2 people who aren't featured, my brother Kenny and my brother Simeon, happy holidays. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in 2019. Bye for now.
Bye.
Can you wave bye-bye? Yeah, bye for now.